Hello, guys. This is Gautam again. So this time I wanted to build a custom GPT. Again, I'm going to use Chat GPT, using which I want to build a custom GPT for my own cause. So I was thinking to build a GPT where, let's say that when I'm searching for a job outside, and if HR wants to understand what I've done when they're hunting for a profile, right? And if they happen to come across my profile, they could actually interact with my profile to understand what I've done at a code level, right? So they'll be able to understand the work that I've done previously, what skills do I have, and as a knowledge base, I'll be uploading my LinkedIn profile, my older resume. I mean, I've not updated it for some time, because I'm not looking for an opportunity right now. But, anyways, right, I'll be uploading my older resume, some of my GitHub works that I've done previously, hobby projects, so that when people want to understand the skills that I have, right, they will be able to do that from the knowledge base that I'm going to upload to GPT. Now, this particular use case requires you to have a premium version of GPT. I guess it's $20 a month, which is what you need to pay. I do have a premium license for GPT, and I'll help you understand how you can go about creating your own version of GPT. And this tutorial has no code. I mean, literally, there's zero code involved. So, yeah, sit back and you can enjoy. So first thing that you need to do is go to this explore option. You can see, right, create a GPT, right, which is what I'm going to do, right. So first thing, right, you will have to make it understand what is that you want to build. You can see, hi, I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products. So I'm going to say, I want to create a custom GPT for my profile, so that HR, when they want to know uh, more about my profile, they can interact with my profile, which will be produced from the work that I have done through LinkedIn and GitHub as knowledge base. Okay, let's see. So it'll take some time. Yep, you can see that it has come up with a new name called Profile Assistant, and I want this to be even more fancier. Can we come up with a more fancier name? Right, let's see what it says. Yeah, Career Navigator, maybe. Yes. Yes, I am good with this name. Okay, so let's see. It's currently generating profile picture for my app. So I want this to be a bit of a nerdy profile, right? Just to make the HR know that I'm a pretty serious person. Yeah, I mean, even this profile looks very good. But let me ask it: can you make the pic look more nerdier? Right. Let's see. So the GPT, right, that I'm creating, it's called Career Navigator, and I'm looking for a profile that is serious enough. Yeah, yeah. Now you can see that it's giving me a profile picture. looks serious enough for me. Yes, I am good with this picture, right? So I'm fixing it. Career navigator, the DP is fixed. Yes, I would like it to respond to any queries related to my profile, like my experience, um, tools, sorry, tools, and teams handled, and even the project description description and client domain. Let's see. So it should respond in a moment. Yeah. Okay. So I would like GPT to respond um, when it is asked about questions that are technical on behalf of my profile. So I don't want my GPT to shun away from any technical questions when inquired about my profile. So I would like GPT to respond accordingly. So you would see that it will help me build it so that HR or any hiring assistant or hiring manager would feel comfortable talking to my profile. Now let's consider how it should handle requests for clarification. Should it ask for more details if a question is vague or unclear? Yes, it should. So you can see, right? These are like couple of sample questions in the preview tab, and we'll also see what is that we could configure. And I would also be using something called Zapier for creating actions, right? Yeah. So I'm going to upload the knowledge base, right? You could see that there are some of these work that I have done. I've taken it from LinkedIn, my GitHub, right? These are some of the projects that I have done so far, right? Just what I'm uploading. So, yeah, probably I don't need any DALI image generation. I would probably need code interpreter, which is what I would be needing, right? So you could see that these are like sample questions that I have, right? Apart from this, I could also say, um, so explain the technology or tools that you are good with, right? So something like that I could add, right? So and also, right, if I have to create actions, like if let's say that the user or HR wants to save some of the questions, right, that is being asked to my profile, if he or she wants this to be saved in a drive, that is also something which is possible to do, right? I'll be adding that as actions here.
Hey, now that we have our custom GPT built, I'll basically have another tool integrated, which is called Zapier, and it is used for a lot of automation. I'll give you a couple of scenarios in which we could use or apply this technique, right? For example, let's say this is a career navigator for my own profile, Gautam Balachandran, right? For my own profile, let's say the HR, right? He or she is interacting with my profile, and if he or she is impressed with my profile, they could very well go ahead and ask the GPT to basically schedule a call. And GPT can block some time based on my availability in the calendar so that we can have a conversation further. Right now, I'm not looking for any opportunity. So, but I'm just letting you guys know, people who are watching it, right? And let's say that I want to export the conversation that I'm having with the bot to a Google Doc, which is again third party. I can do that as well using Zapier. So I'll help you understand how you can configure Zapier. But before that, let me give you a demo. For example, let's say that I'm asking the bot, what is the experience of Gautam when he was working for EXL, which is my previous company. Let's see how it responds. It has to access my knowledge base basically. So yeah, you can see that it is accessing my knowledge base, which is profile and some of the GitHub repo, right? So it is very accurate in that way, right? So I'll also ask, can you name some tools or technology that Gautam is aware from your knowledge. Let's see. I'm curious to know. Yeah, that is right. Yeah, I do have some experience in Azure as well. Okay. Let's see what else. Yeah, I mean, so far so good. It's at least not making anything up. Okay. Let's see what else. Not bad. Yeah, so let's say that I guess I've asked a couple of good questions to the bot related to my profile. Now let's see if I can export this conversation to a Google Doc. You create um, text. Okay, can you pay convert the above conversation by creating document from text? Let's see. So it has to, yeah, you can see it is invoking the action, Zapier action. So it is going to ask for my permission. I'll need to allow. Give it a minute or two, and then you should have it. Yeah, see. Not sure what it is. It ideally has to, yeah, it has to self correct it. So yeah, let me see. I can one more time, because sometimes I mean, it's not going to just send the doc. You may have to try it couple of more times. Yeah, yeah, I guess it has talked. Yeah, let's see. Ideally, it has to create a document in my Google Docs based on the transcript, I mean the conversation topic. Okay, that is art. Can, but it seems there's the, okay, can you try one last time? Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you can see it's successful now. Yeah. Okay, let's see. You can see that it has created. I'll say run. Let's go to Google Doc. Yeah, you can see it's created, right? It's 7:18. You can see it is just created. If you open it, you will see the whole transcript. Like I said, the applications of this is immense. Now I'll show you how I basically did this, right? You can go to again explore, and you can see that you would have created your custom GPT. Go edit it and go to configuration, right? And under the action, right, create new action, you can import from URL, right? You have to basically import it from this URL. Under that, right, since I've already created, I'm not doing it again, but under the import URL, you need to pass this. You can go to actions.zapier.com, docs platform GPT, and put this URL here, and it is going to import a couple of parameters. And for the ones that I've already created, right, actions.zapier, um, this is how it will look once you import it, and this is how it will look, right, once you have these imported from the URL. And you can go back, and if you come down, right, there are a couple of rules that you'll have to follow. If you look at it, Yeah, this is the rule. Now, the most important part is the required actions. What you need to do is you need to give the action type here. That is, go to this page where you've created the action. Under the action, right? Go to additional settings, action name, create document from text. This is what you'll have to give, right? Yeah, create document from text. This is like a trigger word, right? And under the configuration link, this is the URL that you'll have to paste. And this concludes the portion of how to create your own custom GPT and how you can integrate third party tools using Zapier. And I'll make this link available to the public, right, so that you guys can interact with it. But please make sure that you don't post any sensitive information here again. All right. Thank you. Thanks for watching.